stuff today in between items by herself. Not quite walking, but what, sweetheart? Quinn, can you walk over here? Walk over here. Garrett, you fixing things? Today is the 20th of September. Can you walk over here, Gwen? Come here. Come here. Yeah, it just rained, sweetheart. You dancing, Gwen? Dance, 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 dance. There you go. Go ahead, Gwen, you can do it again. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance.